So you've been in a car crash and the other driver left the scene of the accident. Why did they do that? It could be for a number of reasons. DUI, not having a license, not having insurance, or maybe the person's just a jerk. But don't worry, there's something you can do to protect yourself if you're in a hit and run car crash. My name is Eric Mousner. I'm a personal injury lawyer at the law firm of Mausner Graham Injury Law. We handle injury cases all around the state of Florida. That includes car crashes, slip and falls, boating accidents, sexual assault cases, and negligent security cases. On this channel, we talk about various issues related to personal injury law. Today, we're going to talk briefly about hit and run car crashes, otherwise known as leaving the scene of the accident. So why would someone leave the scene of an accident? A person might be drunk or intoxicated. They might not have the right kind of insurance, so they're running. The driver might leave the scene of the accident because perhaps they're an undocumented immigrant. There's a number of reasons why somebody would leave the crash. Oftentimes, people don't even realize that you actually have to stop by law and exchange information. So if someone doesn't realize they need to stop, they're going to leave the scene of the crash. Another thing is sometimes accidents happen and the at-fault driver doesn't even realize they caused the crash. Perhaps a big truck sideswipes you and the truck is so big, they don't even feel the impact of your car. The truck might leave the scene of the accident. There's a lot of reasons why someone leaves a crash site. Here's an example of a hit and run case we're working on in the office. A family came to Florida from Oklahoma for a vacation. They're driving on the highway in a rental car. They got sideswiped by the truck. The truck didn't even realize they hit the car. Damage was pretty bad. There were real injuries. The family was frightened. It was a terrible experience for them. They were actually lucky they were able to get the license plate of the truck, give it to the police, and we were able to actually locate the truck and its insurance policy. So in that situation, our clients were fortunate because we were able to locate who the other at-fault vehicle was, even though they left the scene. Oftentimes, you don't have the at-fault car's information. It's a problem. You need to call the police immediately. You need to look around for surveillance video. Sometimes road cameras, Department of Transportation can capture these accidents or these vehicles. But oftentimes, a hit and run accident, somebody gets away and it's going to be impossible to locate that driver. What we do at our law firm is we'll send out an investigator, we'll talk to witnesses to see if we can locate who the at-fault car is. So in this incident, we were able to figure out who the truck was, put a claim in and recover money for the clients. So if you're in a hit and run accident, the first thing you need to do is try to get the license plate, try to get the car information, look around for any surveillance video, look around for any witnesses. You're gonna need to call the police immediately and report this person. You're also gonna wanna open an insurance claim, give that information to the insurance company. Of course, I would always hire a lawyer first and have the lawyer or the law firm assist you in this initial investigation. One of the things that I recommend to all clients, all friends, families, make sure you have uninsured motorist coverage. This coverage will cover you in the event you get hit by what's called the phantom driver, or a driver who leaves the scene of an accident. Your coverage will cover your injuries and damages, and you could build a whole case around the leaving the scene of the accident case as long as you have what's called or uninsured motorist coverage. We have another case in the office where our client was struck at an intersection and the car kept driving. This happened here in Miami. The driver had coverage, so fortunately she'll be able to have a case. She'll get her medical bills paid. She'll get access to doctors. She'll be able to treat, get healthy, which is most important. And then at the end of the case, she'll be able to recover money, which is the goal of a personal injury case. If you've enjoyed these videos, please like, add, follow us on YouTube, follow us on social media. Our law firm is located in downtown Miami. My name is Eric Mausner. Please give us a follow or a like. Thank you.